Hey, I'm Curtis Martin from Wilmington, North Carolina in our shop here. I'm going to show you today how to run a lathe and how to take a square block of wood and turn it around. We've already kind of roughed this one up a little bit, but first thing we want to do is start and find our points, the center points. There's all kinds of ways to do it. You can find the center just by measuring both directions. You can do corner to corner, or you can use a little jig like this and mark it. Once you find your centers, you're going to tap in the chucks of your bit on either end. The drive bit is a star bit, and it's the one that holds the wood. The other end is a centering bit, and it just rotates with the stock. We tighten it all up, secure, then we lock it down. We adjust our guide, lock it down, then we start the machine. Control our speed. We want to start off with a slower speed. We're going to start off with a gouge. Gouge is the first tool you use in lathe. You want to use this to get off the most material. You're going to take this and pull it along the edge using your finger as a guide. As you come along the wood, you'll see the wood change colors and change shape. You want to keep this as even as possible. What it does is it keeps the thickness the same all across the wood as you're moving across. After you get all the rough edges off, you've got it to a cylinder shape. You want to come back and smooth that up. This is called a skew tool. It's a flat blade. It's got a little bit of bevel on it and fairly sharp edge. We take this and we walk this down same way, using your finger as a guide along the support, all the way down the wood until you get it smooth. Once you get it smooth, you then went to a parting chisel. Take the parting chisel. All that is about an 1/8 inch wide piece of steel, a 45-degree cut. We take that, cut it into the wood on both sides, marking where we want to bead. After you use that mark, come back and we'll finish it up with the skew gouge, rounding over the edges. After you get that rounded out to where you want it, you can come back with sandpaper. While it's still rotating, take your sandpaper, gently put pressure, and sand all the turnings that you just made, smooth them up real nice.